In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter thank you page on Beehiiv. We'll build a clean on-brand page your new subscribers see right after they sign up using Beehiiv's template tools so you can reuse it anytime. Start by opening your Beehiiv dashboard. At the top, open the new dropdown and choose Template Post. This lets us design a reusable layout for a thank you page rather than drafting a one-off post. Click New Template, then pick the Basic option as your starting point. Basic gives you a neutral canvas that's easy to brand without fighting existing styles. Let's dial in the look and feel. In the Colors section, set your outside background for the overall page and your post background for the content card. Choose text on background so your body copy is readable, then define your primary color for buttons and accents and the text on primary color to ensure strong contrast. Set a secondary color if you use subtle highlights and choose a links color that's visible and consistent with your brand. Aim for high contrast and avoid low opacity shades that can be hard to read. Move to typography. Pick a heading font family and weight that feels confident but not heavy, and a paragraph font family and weight that's highly readable. A simple pairing works best. Think clear headings and comfortable body text. In spacing, adjust margin and padding to create breathable white space. A bit more padding around the content card often makes the page feel polished. Under borders, choose a corner radius for softer or sharper edges and set a thin border if you want definition without visual clutter. In Advanced, fine-tune any background and color nuances to keep everything cohesive. Small tweaks go a long way when you're staying on brand. Next, configure the structural pieces. In Email Header, set the header title and vertical spacing so your headline has presence without pushing content too far down. In Body, define paragraph text styling and the gap between elements so sections feel scannable. In Widgets, set link styles so any social or navigation links match your theme. And in Email Footer, pick footer colors that maintain contrast and readability. Now switch to Write. Add a clear title like, "Thanks for subscribing," then a concise subtitle that sets expectations, such as when the first email will arrive. In the body, write a friendly confirmation, what subscribers can expect, and a simple next step like checking their inbox. Keep sentences short and actionable. When you're happy with the copy and styling, click Done to save your template. Your thank you page is ready to use and easy to update whenever your brand evolves.